If you are thinking about buying a sub 250-gram drone right now, you need to freeze and stop everything you are doing. Massive internal supply chain leaks have just dropped for the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, and it is going to completely break the rules of the drone industry. Welcome back to TechVibe. For years, creators in the United States, the UK, and Canada have had to make a frustrating compromise. If you wanted a lightweight drone that bypasses strict FAA and aviation regulations to avoid forced registration or complex licensing, you had to settle for a smaller sensor and compromised video quality. But the leaked blueprints for the upcoming Mini 6 Pro prove that DJI is about to release a pocket-sized powerhouse that will leave even heavy cinema drones in the dust. We are talking about a massive hardware leap that completely redefines what a sub 250-gram chassis can do. The headline feature leaked directly from the factory floor is a revolutionary 1-inch stack CMOS sensor that introduces true 6K video recording at 60 frames per second. While the previous generation made a major step up with a standard 1-inch sensor, this new stacked architecture changes the game. It practically eliminates rolling shutter distortion, meaning you can say goodbye to that annoying jello effect during fast-paced cinematic pans or high-velocity movements. For professional content creators looking to crop, reframe, or deliver flawless 4K master files to premium clients, the 6K resolution provides an unprecedented level of sharpness and creative freedom. But DJI didn't stop at just increasing the pixel count. The leak confirms that the Mini 6 Pro will feature a true mechanical variable aperture, adjusting dynamically from a wide-open f/1.8 down to f/11. Anyone who shoots aerial footage knows the absolute pain of landing your drone every time the clouds move just to swap out physical ND filters. With a mechanical iris built directly into a drone that still weighs under 249 grams, you can control your light entry and maintain perfect motion blur on the fly, directly from your remote controller. If you are wondering how DJI managed to pack a 6K stack sensor and a mechanical aperture into a pocket-sized frame without exceeding the critical weight limit, the secret lies in a massive battery breakthrough. Supply chain reports reveal that DJI is moving away from traditional lithium-ion cells and introducing an advanced high-density solid-state battery chemistry. This shift allows the drone to squeeze significantly more energy into a lighter footprint. The leaked data suggests the standard flight time will jump to an incredible 60 minutes. Imagine having a full hour of airtime on a single charge while keeping the drone safely compliant with sub 250-gram weight laws globally. This means fewer battery swaps, more time tracking the perfect lighting, and ultimate peace of mind during remote travel shoots. Safety and obstacle avoidance are also getting a futuristic overhaul. The Mini 6 Pro is rumored to debut an advanced omnidirectional Nightscape LiDAR system. Standard visual obstacle sensors on older drones are completely blind in the dark, making sunset or nighttime shooting an incredibly stressful experience. This new millimeter-precise LiDAR technology sends out invisible light pulses to map out branches, wires, and structures in pitch-black darkness. Whether you are navigating dense urban environments like New York or capturing low-light landscapes in British Columbia, the drone can automatically chart a flawless path around hazards without relying on ambient light. To handle all this high-resolution data and provide a bulletproof connection, DJI is upgrading the transmission pipeline to the all-new DJI O5 system. This next-generation transmission protocol utilizes optimized signal bands to maintain a crystal-clear 1080p live feed at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second. In heavily congested areas where wireless interference routinely drops your signal, the O5 system ensures a rock-solid connection over massive distances. On the software front, the drone will leverage advanced onboard AI processing to drive a next-generation version of ActiveTrack 360. This upgrade introduces an autonomous creative director mode. Instead of just mindlessly following a subject from behind, the drone analyzes the topography, predicts movement patterns, and executes complex cinematic sweeps, rises, and orbits entirely on its own. It acts exactly like having a professional camera operator in the sky, allowing solo creators to capture complex, cinematic sequences that used to require a multi-person crew. Furthermore, this intelligence extends to automated post-production workflows. The internal processor is capable of generating instant, proxy-ready files encoded with advanced stabilization metadata, meaning you can drop your 6K footage into any editing timeline and begin working flawlessly without experiencing any system stutter or hardware bottleneck. This level of optimization drastically accelerates the production pipeline for fast-paced content creators who need to deliver premium content on tight schedules. According to global roadmap leaks, DJI is targeting a release window within the coming months, aiming to capture the peak travel and holiday shopping seasons. Pricing structure rumors indicate the base package with a standard controller will sit around $899, while the highly anticipated Fly More combo, which includes the upgraded remote controller and additional solid-state batteries, will hover around $1149. Given the massive leap to a 6K stack sensor, integrated variable aperture, and LiDAR safety systems, this pricing positions the Mini 6 Pro as a legitimate threat to larger, more expensive enterprise systems. It effectively renders heavier drones obsolete for the vast majority of everyday content creators. This upcoming release is not just a minor, incremental update. It represents a fundamental shift in aviation technology. DJI is proving that you no longer need to carry a massive, heavy backpack or deal with aggressive legal restrictions just to get cinema-grade aerial footage. The Mini 6 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate, no-compromise tool for creators who demand absolute mobility alongside pristine image quality. If you are currently looking at buying an older drone or any other lightweight model on the market, the smart move is to hit the brakes and wait for this drop. Purchasing a previous generation system right now will leave you with an obsolete sensor and inferior battery tech within a matter of months. The era of compromising on quality just to stay under the regulatory weight limit is officially over, and this launch will completely disrupt the secondary market for older gear. The sheer volume of features packed into this microframe ensures it will remain future-proof for years to come, making it an incredibly sound investment for your production toolkit. It fundamentally shifts the power dynamic back into the hands of independent creators who want elite imagery without the elite price tag or bureaucratic headaches. That wraps up today's exclusive hardware breakdown. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think about this 6K breakdown. We will see you in the next video right here on TechVibe.